Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find trending sounds on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Then you can simply tap on the Reels button, and here you guys can scroll the Reels and find the trending reel, and you can use the trending sound by tapping on here. Then you guys can hear the audio by tapping on here, and then you guys can use the audio by tapping on here. Now let's go back. You guys can also tap on here to use the sound. Now let's go back, and if you guys don't like the way, you can also use other methods. If you tap on the search button here, now you have to write Instagram. Then you guys can find out this profile. If you tap on here, then you guys can follow this profile. You will find out a lot of trending reels here. You can use them on your videos. If you tap on one of them, then you can use their sounds by tapping on here. So this is how you guys can find out trending sounds on Instagram. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.